Welcome to the Art of Tour, guys, and for this video we're going to feature the Podium, also known as SM Podium. Let's begin our walking tour inside the mall of SM Podium. SM Podium. This is the new mall ours after the oil price crisis. So nag-adjust na sila. Hello. East Tower and West Tower. So let's start our tour in the ground level first. Then we'll feature each floors until we reach the level 6, which is where the new social dining is located. So for the ground level, the most shops here are mostly lifestyle and perfumes. So mga makeup, ganun. Then this way to the food alley and parking area. Dito. Ground level. Going to the second level na. So we are now on the second level or L2. So same pa rin, mga lifestyle shops pa rin. And may mga sportswear na dito. So ito yung the corner market. Dito yung food corner market. So ito yung prestigious na tinatawag na food court ni SM Podium. Okay, let's proceed in checking the other shops here at the second level. Wow, look at that. So apparently, there's already a Disney store here at SM Podium. So parang bago to. This is new. I haven't seen this since the last time I've been here sa SM Podium. Oh. Okay. So we are now about to go to the third level of SM Podium. So we are now at third level. Dito located yung Toy Kingdom. So this is the Toy Kingdom at SM Podium.
Ako, suggestion, July 9 onwards na para hindi magulo.
So ang third level, mostly mga appliances na mix na dito. Although may mga cafe and restaurants dito. Dito mo na mahanap yung mga appliances sa third level. Hey, Henry's. Guys, if you're looking for a camera, always check out Henry's. So this is the third level. So there are 3 levels left before we complete our tour here at SM Podium. May kultura na dito ah. Oh, smells good. Adidas. Okay. We are now about to check out the 4th level. So we have completed the 3rd level na. Tapos ang podium.
Sir, wala sir kami lang mag-design kayo ang affected nyo rin.
So 4th level are focus on wellness. Puro wellness shop na dito. Wow. So apparently, there are a lot of newer shops here at SM Podium. Mas kompleto na siya ngayon. Ayan, ito. The most awaited update. The SM Podium. Podium Social. Later we'll check the new Podium Social. Oh, augmented reality exhibition. Kinetics Kids. Oh. Oh, this is cool. Kinetics. We're now on our way to the 5th level. So we are now at the 5th level of SM Podium. Ito yung Directors Club. Grabe.
Yung ginawa ng meeting the last time, one of question, sinagay sa
Lolo.
Excel, and then pinadala sa amin, and then we responded. Pwede ba pwede na ako sa ako ng
So this is the end of level 5. So we're going back sa center podium, center hall para umakyat sa podium social. So we are now about to check out the last level at SM Podium. Level 3, also known as Podium Social. So Podium Social is the newly opened area or the new addition here at SM Podium. So what we'll see here or what are we expecting here are new dining areas. So we'll see later. And Podium Social. Podium Social. So, yung Podium Social nandito sa likod natin. So, we'll check that later. First, let's check out the rooftop place. Yung po, park. Po, park. Afternoon. Tampo Park. So, before nagpalipad ako ng drone dito kasi may contract ako kay BDO. So, that is why I have drone shots of SM Podium and yung BDO Tower. Kasi ginawa na akong drone operator noon dito. Hinar ako sa drone operator. So, for those who are asking paano na pagpalipad dito sa Ortigas, it's because may permit ako and hinar ako. And also licensed pilot din kasi ako. So that's why. Wala lang, trivial lang.
Puro ano yan, Christian.
So ito yung Pop Park. Oh. So may Pop Park na pala dito. Ganda. So we're now about to check Podium Social. Bistro. Ito siya. So may 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 new dining centers here.
Clinic.
So ano to, parang
So bali 7.
mga co-working din siya. Puro buffet dito. Parang sasarap dito. Mm. Ito siya. Mga bistro. Puro bistro pala dito. So isang paikot siya, more on mga casual and fine dining dito. Ito pala yung yung bagong dining na sinasabi nila sa SM Fortune. Ganda. So we're going back to a mall area.